Look at this little thing. Oh, oh. Just wants his head pet. He liked that. He liked that. I like that. Okay, so no. And I'm waking him up. There's Holly. This is girl. Holly. She don't want to wake up apparently. This is Holly, one of our other girls. And purple right here is Noelle underneath Snow. See, Noelle has a very black eye. Yes, she does. There's Mom. Now they're all going to wake up. It's going to get crazy in here. They're going to smell us. Oh, there we go. There we go.